Tonight, if you were among the thousands of fans at the Blazers game at the Moda Center last Friday night a week ago, you might have been exposed to the measles. It is the latest on the list of area locations where someone with the contagious virus exposed others.
Here's what we know. 19 people in Clark County now have the measles. There are 7 suspected cases. Most are children, but there is now 1 confirmed case of an adult with measles. Lisa Balick, live in Vancouver with the latest in this health alert. Lisa?
Well, Jeff, more than 19,000 fans attended that game a week ago. Never mind all the staff that was there as well. A lot of problems possibly. Now, here in Clark County, there are close to 200 students and staff who are not able to go to school, and they don't even have the measles, but it's because of the measles. There's no school today for 82 children at Tukes Valley Primary and Middle Schools in Battleground, even though it's a regular school day. After a student came down with measles earlier this month, the school district is now following county health guidelines, excluding students who don't have proof they're fully vaccinated against the virus. They'll have to be out through the end of the month, since the virus has a 21-day incubation period. The district says there are now 30 staff and teachers who are excluded as well. In Washington, there's no law that requires staff to provide shot records or have certain shots. In the Evergreen District, 100 students are excluded, less than 10 teachers and staff members. Measles is highly contagious and can lead to serious complications. 2 children are now hospitalized and 1 adult in this latest outbreak. Parents who have vaccinated their kids tell me they're glad they did.
Everybody has their own opinions about it. You know, I just do what I can to protect my kids, so.
Why did you decide it was important?
You know, for their safety.
I have all my kids vaccinated, so I feel bad for the people who have kids under 1.
The vaccine is only for kids over 12 months of age. There are also new locations added to where people may have been exposed to someone with the measles. The Moda Center at the Blazers game last Friday night. Kaiser Cascade Park Medical Office in Vancouver, Fisher Investments in Camas, the Church of Christ the Savior in Vancouver, and the Verizon Wireless Office at Cascade Station. Now, as for those teachers and other staff members who are not sure if they were immunized as a kid, they're being tested, and some of them actually have gone back, so the number has gone down. Now, if you are curious as to what's happening, the symptoms sometimes start out as a bit of a cold. Call your doctor's office before you go in, because they're trying to keep the risk of exposing others to it down. So again, some places they're offering masks when people go in, but make a quick call before you just walk in and expose others if you do have that virus. Live in Vancouver, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, great advice. So we just reported some people may have been exposed at the Moda Center during the Blazer game. Well, tonight the Marion County Health Department says some people in the Woodburn area may have been exposed to those with measles in Washington.
Now, at this point, there are no confirmed cases, but health officials say they are monitoring this exposure. So this is definitely going to get worse before it gets better.
This is a big health alert. We'll continue to monitor the measles outbreak in our area and continue to keep you up to date on air and on the website, KOIN.com.